Welcome to Kiddo, fun learning for little ones.
Hello, little friends. Today, we'll learn 25 beautiful flower names. Flowers are colorful, smell lovely, and make our world bright and happy. Are you ready? Let's begin our flower adventure. Look, little friends. This is a rose. Roses are beautiful and smell sweet. They come in many lovely colors. Let's say together, rose. Wow, this is a sunflower. It is tall, bright, and loves the sunshine. Sunflowers make gardens look happy. Say, sunflower. Look at the lovely lotus. It grows in a pond with big green leaves. The lotus is beautiful and peaceful. Let's say lotus. Here is a tulip. Tulips are colorful and bloom in spring. They make gardens bright and cheerful. Say together, tulip. Look at the happy daisy. It has white petals and a sunny yellow center. Daisies bloom beautifully in gardens. Let's say daisy. Look, little friends, this is a lily. Lilies have big, beautiful petals and smell lovely. They make gardens bright and pretty. Let's say lily. Wow, this is Jasmine. Jasmine flowers are tiny, white, and smell sweet. They bloom beautifully in the garden. Say together, Jasmine. Look at the bright marigold. Marigolds are yellow and orange and bloom in sunny gardens. They are cheerful flowers. Let's say marigold. Here is a hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are big, colorful, and beautiful. They make gardens look bright and happy. Say, hibiscus. Look at this orchid. Orchids are colorful and very pretty. They have special shaped petals and grow in many places. Let's say together, orchid. Look, little friends, this is lavender. Lavender has tiny purple flowers and a lovely smell. It makes gardens look beautiful. Let's say lavender. Wow, these are cherry blossoms. They are soft pink flowers that bloom in spring. They make the trees look magical. Say cherry blossom. Look at the bright daffodil. Daffodils are sunny yellow flowers that bloom in spring. They make gardens cheerful. Let's say daffodil. Here is a magnolia. Magnolias have big, soft petals and bloom on tall trees. They are beautiful flowers. Say together, magnolia. Look at this peony. Peonies have lots of soft petals and beautiful colors. They make every garden bright and pretty. Let's say peony. Look, little friends, this is a poppy. Poppies have bright, colorful petals that dance in the breeze. Let's say together, poppy. Wow, these are bluebells. Bluebells are tiny blue flowers that look like little bells. They bloom together beautifully. Say, bluebell. This is an iris. Iris flowers have long, beautiful petals and bright colors. They make gardens look wonderful. Let's say iris. Look at the pretty carnation. Carnations have soft, ruffled petals and smell lovely. They are beautiful flowers for gardens. Say, Carnation. Here is a Chrysanthemum. It has lots of soft petals and comes in many bright colors. Let's say together, Chrysanthemum.
Look, little friends, this is a Snapdragon. It has tall stems with lots of colorful flowers. Snapdragons make gardens bright and happy. Let's say Snapdragon.
Wow, this is a Hydrangea. It has many tiny flowers growing together in a big bunch. Hydrangeas are colorful and beautiful. Say, Hydrangea. Here is the morning glory. It opens its beautiful flowers in the morning sunshine. Morning glories climb up fences and walls. Let's say morning glory. Look at this camellia. Camellias have soft, colorful petals and bloom on green bushes. They make gardens look lovely. Say together, camellia. Look at the beautiful water lily. It floats gently on the water with round green leaves. Water lilies make ponds look magical. Let's say water lily. Wonderful job, little friends! Today, you learned 25 beautiful flower names. Keep looking at colorful flowers and enjoy nature every day.
Thank you for learning and playing with Kiddo. See you again.